Hello guys, welcome to one more help video tutorial. We get many feedback from our users that application was not working in some of the devices, especially in some of the Samsung devices. So we started investigation on it, and after hard work and lots of efforts of more than 3 months, we found some solution. So hope this solution will work in your case as well. So guys, please help us to report the issues anytime. Whenever you face any problem, just report it, and we are listening. We are just replying to each and every users. Contact us on our Instagram chat supports. We instantly replies you and try to help you, and you can also send us emails and try to reply you as soon as possible. So please guys, do not leave any negative comments on Play Store, because some of the issues are like too complex and it requires lots of times and efforts to solve it actually, and it requires too much research and R&D. So thank you so much all guys who actually help us to report the issue and help us to solve it. So without wasting time, let's begin. So as you see here in the screen, actually you can see some of the statuses, but it is not displaying. So white space with some blank placeholder is displaying. So we just try to detect this situation, and the application will display the alert something like this. To solve this problem, actually you can click on settings, and after clicking on that, you will be redirected to this screen. So here you can just click on show system app if it is hidden, something like show system apps. So after clicking on this show system application, you will see external storage. See here. So just simply you have to click on this and just turn it, and just simply go back. So see, all the statuses are being displayed correctly now. So this is one way, and if you want to solve it manually, like if you are clicking on setting button on dialog, and if it is not redirecting you to the settings, then simply do nothing, simply click on settings and just find for all files access. See this one. So simply click on that and click on all file access, and you will see the same screen. So simply you have to turn this on. So in some of the devices, the setting is something like this one, and in some other devices, this external storage, you have to click on external storage, that we will see here next. Okay, so in some of the devices, the setting will look like this. So click on settings. So you will see the screen something like that. And click on three dots located at top right corner. Click on show system, and then you will see external storage. So here you have to click on that, and if it is turned off, just turn it. So here in my case actually it was turned on, so no need to do anything. But if in case of it turn off, you have to switch it on, and simply go back, and it is fine. So actually this dialog will disappear, and every status will be shown here. So I hope guys this video tutorial will help you to solve this problem of white screen. And if in case you face any problem, not actually this one, but if any problem in future, just chat with us. Our support team will guide you instantly on Instagram, or you can send us email as well. Okay, thank you so much.